YouTube. We're right here with Ben today. Ben got a very special vehicle for us today. Ben, talk to us about this vehicle today, brother.
What's up, guys? My name is Ben, car builder on Instagram. This is my 9300ZX. I've had it for a few years now. I built it up. It was really shitty. If you look at the sign over here, you can see what it was like before when I got it. The engine was all molested. It was not running. I got it off the side of someone's house. It was automatic at the time. It had the tan interior with it. I had to do everything. Rip the interior out. I got a whole parts car for it. I manual swapped the car. Put the 94 Velour interior instead of the tweed that it came with. A lot of stuff here. Ground up pretty much.
What made you get this car, Ben?
I had a lot of common cars. I had Civics, 350Zs, and I wanted something that was more unique, you know, something you don't see a lot. So I got into the 300s.
It is beautiful. You definitely brought the car back to life. So
yeah,
it is beautiful. Anything you don't under the engine?
The engine, well, you can see it was pretty rough. I restored it. I touched the bay. I did a few little things. Cooling system, polished intakes. It's cool for now. It's still NA, but I'm gonna swap it in the future. I have some big things coming for that. So.
Gotcha. So that's the future. That's the future for the car.
Oh yeah, definitely. Gotcha. That's the next thing is pulling the motor.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Let me take a look around the car, Ben. Thank you very much.
Yeah, for sure.
Factory interior you got in there, guys. I don't think Ben or me is gonna tell you, but this interior is amazing. I mean, you got to see it for yourself how clean this car is right now. It's not even funny.